Hey, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. I think we all like those master links that allows us to close and open chains with ease. Let's make it even more enjoyable by using those master link pliers. Let's take a look at them. Unior's master link pliers are made from special tool steel and are chrome plated to comply with EN 12540. Handles are double plastic dipped for comfort. These pliers apply an inward pressures on the rollers, forcing the master link in the open position. The pliers are spring-loaded, so it is initially in the open position, facilitating installation in the link. The tips of the pliers are manufactured to match the rollers, avoiding rippage while operating. See, makes things all the more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.